Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to your Squarespace website. Let's begin. First, go to shapo.io and click Start Free. No credit card is required, so sign up is quick and easy. Verify your email, and you'll land in your Shapo dashboard. To import your Google reviews, click on Import Testimonials, then select Google Business. Find your business listing, click Fetch Reviews, and select the ones you want to showcase. Once done, click Import Reviews. Now, go to the Widgets tab and click Create a Widget. Give your widget a name, then hit Create. Your imported reviews will automatically load into the widget. From here, you can pick a layout, either carousel or single. Both are available in the free plan. Customize your widget by adjusting fonts, colors, and styles to match your Squarespace design. You can also filter reviews by star rating or tags to highlight only the best feedback. Once you're happy with the design, click Save. Next, click Add to Website and copy the embed snippet. Now open your Squarespace dashboard, go to the page where you want the reviews, and click Edit. Hover over the section, hit the plus button, and select Embed. Paste the code from Shapo into the embed block settings, click Apply, then Save Page. Your Google reviews will instantly appear on your Squarespace site. Here's the best part. Anytime you update colors, layouts, or review filters in your Shapo dashboard, the changes will automatically reflect on your Squarespace site. No need to re-embed the code. And that's it. That's how you can easily add Google reviews to your Squarespace website. Thank you for watching.